Ever pondered the art of cooking a romantic dinner at home? A meal that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also nurtures your health? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, the key to any successful dinner lies in the planning. Start by choosing a theme for your meal. It could be a cuisine you both love, or a recreation of a memorable meal you've shared. The theme will help guide your menu selection, creating a cohesive dining experience. Once you've decided on a theme, the next step is to decide on the menu. A classic 3-course meal usually includes a starter, main course, and dessert. Keep in mind the dietary preferences and restrictions of both you and your partner. Remember, balance is crucial. If your starter is heavy, consider a lighter main course, and vice versa. For instance, if you start with a creamy soup, balance it out with a grilled chicken or fish for the main course. Now, it's time to shop. Fresh ingredients are the backbone of any healthy meal. Make a detailed shopping list based on your menu and stick to it. Avoid processed foods and opt for whole, natural ingredients. Preparation is the next step. Do as much as you can in advance. This could include chopping vegetables, marinating meats, or even setting the table. This way, you'll have more time to enjoy the evening rather than being stuck in the kitchen. Cooking the meal is where the magic happens. Follow your recipes carefully, taking your time to ensure each dish is cooked to perfection. Remember, the joy of cooking is in the process, not just the end result. Setting the mood is just as important as the meal itself. Create a romantic atmosphere with soft lighting, gentle music, and perhaps a bouquet of your partner's favorite flowers. And finally, serve the meal with love. Presentation matters, so take a few extra minutes to garnish your dishes and arrange them beautifully on the plate. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. A home-cooked meal, prepared with love, is a gift that keeps on giving. In summary, to prepare a romantic dinner at home, you plan your menu, shop for fresh ingredients, prepare in advance, cook your meal, set the mood, and serve with love. Remember, the key to a successful romantic dinner lies in the details, from the choice of menu to the mood setting. It's not just about the food, but the entire experience. So, next time you're planning a special evening, consider cooking a romantic dinner at home. It's healthier, more personal, and undoubtedly more romantic. Bon appétit!